Welcome. I'm Elizabeth D'Orazio, and we're here at 198 Loudon Road in Concord at the brand new Sugar River Bank. And I'm joined by their Vice President of Commercial Lending, Joe Conway.
Hi, nice to be with you.
Thank you for joining us, Joe. Now, Joe, you're bringing many years of experience to the commercial lending platform here at Sugar River Bank.
That's correct. I've been working in the commercial arena for, let's not age myself too much, for about 30 years. So I've been through a lot of the different gyrations of recessions and downturns in the economy, and have been working with small and medium-sized businesses for almost 30 years.
And it's important that you mention that because many of the larger banks nowadays are not working with small to mid-sized businesses anymore. They've sort of created a cap.
That's correct. They've gone to a different model where most things, their underwriting and stuff are centralized, and their focus is more on, I think their model's the more lucrative, larger type credits, and so it's kind of left a gap, especially here in New Hampshire, for the small and medium-sized business owners. And the one thing that I've learned in my 30 years of experience here in New Hampshire, the majority of our business owners, are small to medium-sized business, right. And they need to have access to credit and capital to keep their businesses going, to grow their businesses. And that, I know, for the last, especially since the last recession, that's been a challenge for a lot of business people. And
that's sort of one of the most stressful things for anyone starting a business or even inheriting a small business is what's the next step. Really, coming to someone like you and having you as a partner through the process is the best way to go.
You're 100% correct. It's a partnership. It's a two-way street, and it's incumbent upon someone like me, or a bank like Sugar, which is a community bank, is to form those partnerships and build those relationships with the small business owner. It's critical for somebody like me to have a clear understanding of a small business owners, their operation, how they do business, what their strengths, what their weaknesses are, and by knowing a business inside and out, then I can be a resource to them to complement the business, during times whether it's slow or they're going in a growth mode, or they need to have capital, to purchase equipment. So being a resource for that business person is kind of our primary objective. And it's interesting talking to you and your other colleagues here at Sugar River. When you speak about your customers, it's always through relationship. It really is. It's not the stress of they're the consumer and we're the banker. You really are talking about getting to know your clients, getting to know their needs, and really building that business friendship that can last. It's all about relationship. I mean, over 30 years, I've built a lot of relationships. A lot of my past clients and current clients, they're also my friends because we've built that relationship and that trust factor, and they know that they can rely on me. One of the things that I pride myself in with my clients and my customers is they have access to me. If they pick up the phone to call me, I'm going to answer the phone. If they need to see me, they can feel free to come in and see me, or if they're so busy, which a lot of business people are in their own business, I'll go out to see them and make it convenient for them. So it's having that access and knowing that I'm there for them when they need me.
And it's not just lending that you help people with, but there's also merchant services and checking and savings accounts, really helping them get set on running their business as well.
Right. I mean, part of the process, that I go through with my clients is understanding their business and understanding the products that we have that fit their business so that they can be as efficient and effective as possible.
And it sounds like you're the right business partner to have if you're a small or medium to size business right here in the greater Concord area. Make sure you stop in and talk to Joe Conway. He could just be the business friend and asset that you're looking for.